Welcome back. We created the layouts, we created the model class, we created the adapter class. Now let's move to the main activity.kt file and let's combine these parts together. Here inside the onCreate method, we need to initialize the views. The RecyclerView, val RecyclerView, it's of type RecyclerView equals to find a view by ID r.id.RecyclerView. Then RecyclerView.LayoutManager equals to linear layout manager, and here I need to pass the three parameters of this linear layout manager. This linear layout manager.vertical and false. The linear layout manager is configured to manage a RecyclerView where items are arranged vertically in a single column and the layout order in from top to bottom. This is a common configuration for a vertical list of items in a RecyclerView. Let's start with the first parameter, this. The first parameter is the context. In Android, you often use this in the context of an activity or fragment to refer to the current context. And since we are working with the main activity, I'm referring to this context, the context of the main activity. Linear layout manager.vertical. The second parameter specifies the orientation of the RecyclerView. In this case, it's set to vertical, meaning that the items in the RecyclerView will be arranged vertically in a single column. False. The third parameter indicates whether the layout should be reverse laid out. If set to true, the layout will be bottom to top for vertical orientation or right to left for horizontal orientation. In this case, it's set to false, indicating regular layout order. The second step is to create the data source. And as I told you, the data source of our app is a list of sports model objects. Sports list, type array list. And here I need to specify the generic type, sport model equals to array list. I'll start creating the objects that I need to put inside the sports list. Sport1 equals to sport model r.drawable.football, and here you specify the sport name. I'll continue with the other objects. Here we go. These are my objects. Now let's add them to the sports list. Sport list.add sport1 and so on. And the last step is to create the adapter. Val adapter equals to sports adapter, and here I need to pass the sports list that I created here. RecyclerView.adapter equals to adapter. Here I am linking the RecyclerView with the adapter. Save the project and run. And if you encountered this error, I talked about it in many videos. Just go to the Gradle.scripts and here change it to 34 and 34. Okay, sync now and run again. And here we go. This is our amazing application. This is the image view header, and this is our RecyclerView that contains card views. Again, guys, card view is a UI widget in Android that provides a flexible and visually appealing way to display content in a card-like structure. The purpose of card view is to create a consistent and material design-inspired container for presenting information. So congratulations, guys. We succeeded in creating this amazing app that displays card views in a RecyclerView.